Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Love by Chaitanya Snuria, and the Galaxy S9 is just 4 days away and I am pumped. And now we finally have some hands-on picture of the Galaxy S9 and it looks beautiful. The picture shows off the front of the device while it is booting up and also the back of the device. It is in black color and it once again looks really beautiful. As we are getting closer to the launch date, more and more leaks are emerging. This time from a Reddit user who claims to have spent 2 hours with the Galaxy S9 as a part of training session from Samsung. He had answered many questions on Reddit and here are some highlights. So he claimed that the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S8 looks very similar and the only difference is a tiny bit smaller bezel on the Galaxy S9 and the placement of the fingerprint sensor. We knew that this was happening from previous leaks. He says that the UI remains same too, with some little differences here and there. The biggest UI difference would be in the camera application, as you do not have to swipe left to get to camera modes, and they would be shown on top of the camera application. He also added that the live focus feature will be limited to the Galaxy S9 Plus, and the S9 users will have to make do with selective focus. He also explained the most anticipated 3D emoji feature. Apparently, you have to first take a picture of your face that creates an avatar, which can be used in stickers and GIFs. I'm not sure about this feature right now, and even though the feature is deemed as superior than Animoji, the Animoji sounds more fun than this. But we will have to wait for the launch event to see what this feature can actually do. The rumored super slow motion video is also there, but there was no mention of the resolution. Another interesting feature is the live lock screen. It lets user to take a short video which will be played as always on display as far as I have understood it. Somehow Samsung has made this feature to barely use any battery. The Bixby has gotten an update too, with having the functionality to translate text in real time, which will come in handy for some people. And to the most exciting news, there are some leaked Geekbench score of the Galaxy S9 Plus with the Exynos 9810, and they are just phenomenal. It scored around 3700 in single core and 9000 in multi-core. Wow, those are some great score, and the S9 Plus is going to be a beast. With it is speculated that the Snapdragon variant may only be launched in United States, and the rest of the world will get an Exynos variant. This is not all. A Reddit user, The Bros, decompiled the Samsung Unpacked 2018 application and found 3D models of the Galaxy S9. So what that means is Samsung is going to use augmented reality to showcase the Galaxy S9 during the launch event, which is very cool. Just imagine sitting and watching the launch event while holding the Galaxy S9 through augmented reality. Very cool, Samsung. So guys, that is all we have for today. And let me know down in the comments, will you be picking up a Galaxy S9 or the S9 Plus? I hope you like this video, and for upcoming content, please subscribe to this channel and do follow me on Instagram as well. This is Chaitanya Snuria signing off.